Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Chinese for Absolute Beginners. I'm Tingting. Today we are learning the last two initials in Chinese, y and w. Super simple and useful. Let's get started. In the previous lesson, we practiced many initials like z, c, s, and zh, ch, sh. Today will be much later, just y and w. And then we will combine with the vowel r for real pronunciation practice. First, y. Y. What it sounds like? Y in Chinese is clean and soft. It's very close to the English y in yes, you, yellow, y, y. How to make the sound? Keep your lips relaxed. Tongue stay forward and high but not tight. Let the sound glide out smoothly. Repeat after me. Y, y, y. Good. W, w, w. In Chinese is similar to the English w in water, way, window. How to make the sound? Round your lips slightly. Push a soft w sound forward. Keep the breath gentle. W, w. Try it. W, w. Very good. For most learners, y and w are easiest initials in the whole system. Now let's connect today's initials with the vowel R. What R sounds like? A big open sound. R. R. Now combine. Y. R. Ya. 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 Repeat after me. Ya. 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 Good. Now let's try w. A. Wa. 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 Very similar to English. Water. Wa. Wa. Repeat after me. Wa. 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 Make sure your lips started slightly rounded, then open into R. Let's practice both together. Ya. 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 Wa. Wa. Ya. Wa. Great. Big contrast. Y. Spread relaxed lips. W. Rounded lips. Today you learned y, w, ya, wa. Great! You did amazing! In the next lesson, we will review every initials we've learned and start learning the finals. Thank you for watching my video. If it really helped you, please like and subscribe it. See you next time. Bye bye.